Hello student, I am Varun Kumar Nishad from LPO Public School. In this video, we will discuss some numericals on the mole concept. Let us discuss the mole concept. Suppose that we know that the mole is equal to gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass or equal to gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass, and 1 mole is equal to its Avogadro number. 1 mole is equal to Avogadro number. So let us see the numerical. Now, first is that how many moles are present in 32 grams of sulfur. So now solve. We know that 1 mole sulfur is equal to 32 grams. But 32 grams sulfur is equal to 1/32 into 32. So 32 and 32 cancel. So in 32 grams will equal to 1 mole. 1 mole. So it is a unit of mole. That is 1 mole. So how many moles are present in 32 gram of sulfur? That we know that the 1 mole sulfur or any atom is equal to their gram atomic mass. So here is 1 mole sulfur is equal to 32 gram, and then 32 gram sulfur is equal to 1/32 into 32 gram. That's equal to the 1 mole. Next question. Now, calculate the number of moles in 24 gram of nitrogen gas. So again apply the formula. 1 mole nitrogen is equal to 14 gram. Not because the nitrogen gas is found in the form of N2. That's why on the place of 14 we need to write the 28 gram nitrogen. So here is 24 gram nitrogen will equal to 1/28 into 24, and then 24/28 4 6 and 4 7 6 upon 7. So 6 into 7.0 7 8 56 4 0 7 5 45 5 7 7 49. That is 0.857 moles are present in N2 gas, because N2 gas, S2 gas, O2 gas is found in the form of diatomic molecule. That's why these are the molecular mass of nitrogen will be on the place of 14 is 28, because there is a in form of not like that, it is a form of like that, N2 nitrogen gas. That's why we have need to write on the place of 14, that is 28. Now the next person. Next, calculate the number of mole, and then Avogadro number, Avogadro number of 8 gram of helium gas. Question is, calculate the number of mole and then Avogadro number of 8 gram of helium gas. Helium gas is a monoatomic gas because it is a inert gases, because their duplicate is complete. That doesn't needs to react or exist in the diatomic form of molecule. That's why it is, we know that 1 mole of helium, 1 mole of 1 mole of 1 mole of helium is equal to 4 gram. Then 8 gram of helium is equal to 1/4 into 8. That is 4 to the 4, 2 to the 8. So number of mole is 2 mole, and about Avogadro number we have multiplied 2 into for Avogadro number. Avogadro number 2 into 6.02 into 0 to 2 into 10 raised to power 23. Then 12 is to 0, 4 into 10 raised to power 23 particles or pills. That's why it need the number of moles. तो जितना नंबर ऑफ मोल्स आएंगे उतने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स को आप एवोगाड्रो नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, and then we will find the number of particles or Avogadro number. Calculate the number of moles in 49 50 gram of sodium, 50 gram of sodium, that is, so calculate the number of moles in 50 gram of sodium. We know that 1 mole is equal to 23 gram of sodium. Then 50 gram is equal to 1/23 into 50 gram. Then what we found 23 2 to the 6, 2 to the 4 0.1 23 7 0 7 को यहाँ लिख दे रहा है 17, 15 का 9, 9 को यहाँ लिखते हैं, 3 का 6, 1. So answer will be 2.13. So 50 gram of sodium, 2.13 contain moles. So that's why this is a way of giving to solve the questions which is related from mole concept. Very easy if you try to understand. Another aspect we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.